It's springtime here in Hinsdale. Not only does that mean that the flowers are out, the trees are turning green, but it's something we all anticipate every year. It's time for the Hinsdale's Kitchen Walk. What brings you out today?
I just love the energy. I love the houses. It's a fun environment to be in, and the scenery is nice inside and out.
I'm enjoying my kitchen. I'm looking for inspiration. I'm looking to see what's trendy.
Being the captain and in charge of all of this, how do you feel so far?
It's an honor.
It's an honor.
I am excited for people to see this beautiful home. They did such a great job of renovating, taking a house built in 1926 and just putting so much thought. It's just a gorgeous design, very true to like the historic nature of this home, very organic. It's so pretty. I love being in this home. I think everybody is good. They're gonna love it. So inspiring.
Now, it's called the Kitchen Walk, and we are here to see some beautiful and amazing properties, but we all know it's about the fashion. Gotta ask, you're on the red carpet. Who are you wearing?
Elliot.
Tucker Nut.
Rococo Sand.
Target.
Something from Anthropologie.
Morella by Max Mara. Cara.
Zimmerman.
Target.
Love it, actually. What inspired today's outfit?
Florals for the win.
It's Mother's Day weekend and it's spring.
A beautiful day, so I thought it'd be a little springy.
Florals for spring. Groundbreaking.
I love it.
I was told that it was blue and white.
Inspired by her house.
Would have had it in my closet.
I wanted to go with something fun and classic, but also kind of pretty and swingy.
Comfort for pregnancy.
Tablescapes of blue and white. It inspired me to wear blue and white floral.
It fit.